Hello everyone! Do you want to enhance your website with engaging audio content? With EmbedPress, you can easily embed popular audio sources without any coding. Let's see how it works. Before starting, ensure you have installed and activated the EmbedPress plugin on your website. Now let's embed an audio file in Gutenberg. To do that, open a page or post in the block editor and choose where to embed. Click the plus icon, search for EmbedPress block, and tap to add it. Now navigate to the website and select the audio file source that you want to embed on your web page. Copy the file URL. Return to your WordPress editor and paste the URL you copied into the EmbedPress blocks field. Hit the Embed button and your audio file will be embedded instantly. From the right panel's block settings, adjust width, height, and more as necessary. Once done, tap the Save button. Here's how your new embed will appear on the web page to the visitors. With EmbedPress, you can embed uploaded files into your website as well. Let's see how. From the WordPress dashboard, go to Media and click an audio file from the Media library. Copy the link from the File URL section. Go back to the Gutenberg editor. In the EmbedPress field, paste the copied URL and click the Embed button to embed instantly. Adjust the height and width of the embed as necessary. Plus, you can activate the custom player for enhanced customization. Here you can choose player color, enable rewind, restart, fast forward, and more. It also has options to use custom branding, ad settings, content protection, and social shares for your embed. Once done with adjusting all these, hit the Save button. Here is how your new embed of the local audio file will appear on the web page to the visitors. It has play, pause, fast forward, restart, and more options. If you want to embed audio files in the Elementor website builder, first open a page or post on the editor and choose where you want to embed it. From the left panel's widget section, search for EmbedPress and drag it to the desired location. Next, go to the website of the audio file you want to embed and copy the URL. Going back to the Elementor editor, paste the copied URL in the designated field. Your newly embedded audio file will appear instantly. EmbedPress supports extra controls for selected audio sources. For example, if your source URL is SoundCloud, choose this source. Then you will have more controls such as autoplay, share, comments, etc. Next, on the Style tab, you can adjust the height, width, margin, padding, and other settings as needed. Then on the Advanced tab, you can configure margin, padding, etc. Once done with all the configurations, hit the Publish button. Here's how your new embed will appear on the web page to the visitors. This is how easily you can embed audio files in WordPress using EmbedPress. Have you found this video helpful? Comment below for any queries. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials.